guys, how's it going? In this video I just would like to show you how to set up a Dropbox account. And how we're going to do that is we are going to first go to the Microsoft Store and go to here, search for Dropbox, and it should show up right here, and install it. Okay, now we can open the application. Open it up. I click no, that's just my preference. Yes, we want to agree with it. Go to create an account on Dropbox.com if you don't already have an account. And what you're going to do is go to here and go to sign up. And then just fill this out. I'm not going to tell you the password. Okay. And just agree and sign up. Okay. You can update or don't update. I'm going to choose not to update. And just choose what you want it. I'm choosing personal. Do what you want here. I'm just going to skip this step. Just continue with 2 GB Dropbox basic plan for now. And boom, you have your Dropbox account. And I will show you how to use it in just a second. Okay, let's go to upload. Upload some files and or folders. I'm already in a folder now called scripts. Choose whatever folder you want. I'm in scripts. And upload. As you can see, a few files have been uploaded. A few scripts that I've created in the past. I remember this very well. I remember this very well. I have no idea where the heck this came from. I created it. I don't know when, but anyway, you guys get the picture. It's very straightforward, and the next method is just simply drag and drop, and I'll show you that. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you is the drag and drop method. After you've installed Dropbox, the Dropbox application, an icon should have shown up on your desktop that looks like this. If it didn't, let me know in the comments and I will try my best to help you troubleshoot. But assuming that the icon did appear on your desktop, what we're going to do is just open it up. And I have this example right here. It's a message folder. I just named it message because it's a text document. Hello. So yeah, we're just going to drag and drop. And then hopefully it will show up. Yep, it showed up, see? Hello. Hello. See, it reflects this. It's It's easy, right? And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them. I'm open. And be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button.